Hello everyone. Today we will discuss evolution. Now you must be wondering what is the term evolution and why do we need to understand this? So let's understand this term with the simple definition. In biology, evolution is the change in the characteristics of a species over several generations which relies on the process of natural selection. In other words, evolution has been defined as a gradual, orderly change from the one condition to another. You must be thinking now, what is natural selection? So, natural selection is the process through which population of living organisms adapt and change. Individuals in a population are naturally variable, meaning that they are different in a same way. Variation means that some individuals have traits better suits to their environment than others. Individuals with adaptive traits that give them some advantages are more likely to survive and reproduce. This individual then they pass the adaptive traits on to their offspring. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common in a population. Selection favorable traits are through generations. So, do you know who was the first person who proposed the theory? He was the genius Charles Darwin. He has given the theory in 1859 in his book Origin of Species. The theory became the fact over time. He described it how organisms evolved. So now we will know what is the condition are needed for natural selection. 4 conditions for natural selection to occur: reproduction, hereditary, variation in a fitness of organism, variation in individual characteristics among the member of the population. If they are met, naturally selection automatically results. Reproduction, the act or process of producing offsprings. A condition necessary for evolution to occur is that a parent plant produce offspring is that can be normally survive. The net average result of reproduction is that parent plant live of reproduction is that the parent plant leave one descendant that produce. Yet many more are produced that die. History of full treatment of reproduction in widely population. Now, hereditary, the mechanism of transmission of specific character or traits from parents to offspring. Inheritance, the transmission of genetic information from ancestors or parents to descendants or offsprings. A condition necessary for evolution occur is that the traits of fittest phenotype that survive are inherited by successful progeny. The offspring must tend to resemble their parents. Molecular genetics and biochemistry provide the significant information about this process. Variation in fitness of organisms. Definition of fitness is the average number of offspring produced by individual with a certain genotype relative to the number of produced by individual with another genotype. The relative competitive ability to given genotype confirmed by adaptive morphology, physiology or behavior characteristic, expressed and usually quantified as the average number of survival progeny. One genotype compared with average number of survived progeny of competing genotype. A condition necessary for evolution to occur is variation in a fitness of an organism according to the state they have for the heritable characteristics. In individual in the population with the same characters must be more likely to reproduce. More fit organisms in a population vary in reproductive success. Now, we talk about some examples of natural selection. Before the Industrial Revolution in the mid 70s, the prepared mouth was most commonly a pale whitish color with a black spot. This coloring enabled them to hide from the potential predator on tree with a pale yellow bark, such as beech tree. Their rare dark color prepared mouth were easily seen against the pale bark of the tree and therefore more easily seen by predator. As an industrial revolution reached its peak, the air in industrial areas became full of soot. This stained tree and building black. As a result, the lighter mouth became much easier to spot than the darker one, making them vulnerable to be being eaten by birds. The darker mouth were now camouflaged against a soot-stained tree and therefore less likely to be eaten. Over time, this change in the environment led to the darker mouth becoming more common and the pale mouth rare. We talk about the types of evolution. So, mainly three different types of evolution are convergent evolution, co-evolution and adaptive radiation. In a convergent evolution, when the same and the same adaptation evolve independently under similar selection pressure. For example, flying insects, birds and bats have evolved the ability to fly but independently of each other. Coevolution, when two species or group of species have evolved along each other where one adapt to change in other. For example, flowering plant and pollinating insect such as a bee. Adaptive radiation, when a species split into a number of new forms when a change in an environment make new resources available to create new environment challenges. For example, finches of Gallopin Island have developed a different shaped beak to take advantages of different kind of food available on different islands.